Dahil ng pag-swimming si Yayo, may surprise rin sa kanya si Kuya.
Kumusta ang paglaban?
Success. Sobrang happy ako kasi it took me itong edad na to para lang matuto akong magkaroon ng form at matuto mag-freestyle. Sobrang thankful talaga ako kay Tony kasi kung hindi sa kanya, siguro hanggang paglabas ko dito, hanggang hindi ko alam kung kailan, hindi po talaga ako matututo.
Ang pagtuturo sa'yo ni Tony ay isang task. At ito ay may kapalit. Na kapag ikaw ay natuto, ay meron akong ibibigay sa'yo.
Thank you po.
Tony, maaari mo nang ilagay sa kanya ang blindfold.
Cake for you, Mom. Cake. Here's a cake for you, Mom.
You want to hug me?
Thank you. Nasukat na hair. Nasukat yung hair. Wait for me, okay? Don't be sad, okay? Just watch me every day. And then when I come out of this house, I'll give you what I promised you, okay? 70 days are already made 14, so when you get home, you subtract 70 minus 14, okay?
Lingid sa kaalaman ni Yayo at Tony, may iba pang nakatutok sa madramang tagpo sa pagitan ng mag-ina.
Tony,
For me.
ang kanyang regalo ay nasa storage room.
Cake for you.
Thank you, darling.
Welcome. Cake for you, and I miss you.
Tony, maaari mo nang samahan ang ating bisita.
Love you.
Love you, darling. Be a good boy, okay?
I'm not here for 70
My
days.
darling, say I love you to the artist and Papa, okay?
Okay.
Thank you po talaga. Sobrang thank you talaga. I really always look forward to yung pag may mga games or may mga tasks. Talagang gustong-gusto ko talagang manalo kasi I look forward to the rewards. Kahit material man o pagkain o kahit ano. Pero wala talagang papantay pa sa reward na yun talagang nandito yung anak ko. Kahit 2 weeks pa lang, worth it talaga yung stay ko dito. Worth it siya talaga. Tsaka, parang mas ginaganahan ako na nagkakaroon lalo ako ng drive na yung talagang mag-go on sa buhay.
Ako, Kuya, I've seen this so many times already. And this is actually the first time I'm seeing it live in the flesh, how it's all happening. And I'm just amazed kung gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal ng isang ina sa kanyang anak. That's why seeing Ate Yayo, talagang when she was crying, I can really feel how much she really misses her family. And I know that every sacrifice, every task, she's not doing it for the food. She's not doing it for anyone else. She's doing it for the family. I admire her so much. I admire all the housemates after this.
Cake